Hello, this is low-tech symphonic Africa. Today I show you the fish pond with a big fish in, also half big fish. They are in there about 1 week. At the first 3 days they did not really want to eat, but now they're eating as before. This tube I gave them to hide. Sometimes they like to hide. And I had also banana leaves over it, but they start to mold and that's not good for the water. So they are quiet, they eat well, they are playing around, you see. And you see they are quite different in size, but I all bought them at the same time. Even there are some 10 centimeter fishes, or here is a small one. They grow irregularly. I will ask where I will buy the next, if this is one sort or these are several types. I don't know yet. So what is to say that the water level changes every day with the yesterday we had rain, so the rain is very heavy here. It raised about 10 centimeters and today it's again like before. So that the system is not, the water is not stable. I have to adjust it, I think once a week with some more water. Here you see the water inlet. The pump is turned off about 10 minutes, still coming in water. I have 2 beds. This is the second bed and this is the first bed. And here you see the plants. I planted them in this size, also 1 week ago, and they start now to grow again. They had a pause, but now I see on the other bed you can see it. Here is the first little peppers on it. They had flowers this week. Here is another flower. So I have here pepper and aubergine and cauliflower. This is cauliflower. And on the back, these Kürbis in Deutsch, the round yellow big ones, I hope. Because the water is not really good flowing at the end. I took these, and I'm not happy with the water regulation. Here is my water inlet, and when the pump is on, as I have 2 beds from one supply, it's quite tricky to get the both flows in the same amount. And I show you, I already modified here the plumbing. I took in this regulator, and it is just tiny bit on. Here you see the tomatoes as they began to grow. In the middle it's a light green. This is very good. And also here the spinach starts to grow. Here you see This is spinach, spinach. Here's a little chili plant. This hot, very hot chili. They grow here very much in every kitchen. You need this. And here's again cauliflower, aubergine, and another pepper. And already a fly on it. So, and here you see the water, where the water runs, it's too heavy pressure. So it's not stable, and I have to rebuild the structure of the bed every day. So this needs urgently some adjustment. I think I will build in, also I just showed you this one, regulates that, and I will build in, here is a T, and the T has the problem that when you, without that, the pressure is higher on this line and it's lower on that line. But when I try to regulate this, it's very difficult. So most of the time over there it's too high pressure, or it and for that I took it a little bit higher, but not good already. I think I must build in here another of these, but I'm not too sure about. So that's it for today. See you later, folks. Thank you for watching.